So are you guys facing the problem of your Cash App saying pending when they're trying to send money to your friend? Then basically, by the end of this video, you guys will know why Cash App is saying your transaction is pending, or your money is not being sent to your friends instantly. So watch this video until the end, because if you skip some part of this video, you guys are just gonna get confused. Alright? Now before I show you the steps, and I hope you guys can fix catch-up pending. If you guys are new to our channel, Tech World, then don't forget to hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any questions, you can feel free to ask us in the comment, I'll be happy to answer you guys. And let's jump into the video without any further ado. So the first reason could be if your internet connection is slow. So if your internet connection is slow, and you're trying to send money to your friends, then it's going to say pending, because Cash App is waiting for us fast internet connection. So it can stable to connect to its server for that transaction to happen. So until and unless you connect to a stable connection, it's gonna say pending. Alright. And the other thing could be if Cash App server is down. So if Cash App server is under maintenance, and you're trying to send money to your friend during that period, then it's gonna say Cash App pending your transition, which means until and unless Cash App servers are back online is not going to send your money. So once Cash App servers comes online, your money is going to be transferred to your friend instantly. And if the person you're trying to send money to is receiving a lot of payment at the same time, then it's going to keep your payment in pending. So let's say your payment was in the third position until and unless like the first two, transaction happens, your money's not going to be sent and it's going to be on pending. And once it reaches for your time, then your money is going to be sent. And the other thing could be if your friend hasn't accepted your cash. So there's a feature in Cash App. So if a friend has turned that feature on, then there's going to be an accept button. So somebody sends them money, they click on accept, and only then they can accept that money. So until and unless your friend sees or notification or sees a transaction and click NSF is not going to accept that money, right? So that's how we guys can fix our Cash App pending. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'll see you guys on my next video. Until then, bye bye and have a nice day.